AI development needs to accommodate different working styles: visual thinkers, coders, and those that want to move fluidly between both approaches. Let me show you how we support workflow composition across these modalities. In Driverless AI, we've already looked at the standard UI, the Python API, and talking to the super agent to build models on our behalf. We also have a wizard that will ask us questions about the user's experience with AI and their business use case goals to help them set up the best experiment for their needs and learn along the way. After an experiment is complete, the visualized pipeline will show a diagram of the feature engineering steps, the model tuning, and any model ensembling. We can also download the Python code for this specific driverless AI model, not just the experiment that got us here, and then move that to training or retraining in the future. In MLOps, we can score individual rows directly from the UI along with our batch processing, and we can also easily copy command line code to score from our terminal. In H2O GPT-E, agents are generating Python code during the execution. When you ask an agent to analyze a dataset or create a visual, it is writing code and executing that in a sandbox and then showing you the result. This code is accessible and preserved and auditable. We can export the generated code, modify it, and run it independently. The agent is jump-starting our development, and we can take over when we need to with fine-grained control. This is a way to go no code to code and respect your enterprise. Additionally, after every chat interaction in the product, you can copy the Python code that reproduced it. This makes it really easy to set up a super agent or use case from the UI and then move to code when you're ready to do automated testing. The philosophy is supporting your preferred working style, visual composition, or code generation, and often both.